Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! When it comes to cutting paper, cloth, or even your hair, a pair of scissors is all you need. But what about the one medium that's literally everywhere? Plastic. From decorations, to designing, to building, to fixing, every day there are so many little chores that require us to cut plastic. Scissors do the job, but it's not half as decent as our brand new gadget does it. The latest CtrlAX an ultrasound cutter is pretty much the solution to all your plastic cutting problems. Traveling to outer space so you can take a good look at all the planets and stars sounds kind of impossible, doesn't it? But what if you didn't have to go to outer space for that? We're not exaggerating, folks. All you need is a smartphone and this lovely little gadget. That's right, we're talking about the amazing StarSense Explorer DX. With a beginner's manual and every single thing that you might need in the box, the distance between you and all the wonders of outer space is only a few minutes long. What's one of the best things if you're out camping, partying, or on a picnic with friends? The music. But what's the fun if the music isn't hitting, right? What if the speakers don't have enough bass or if their battery keeps dying? Say goodbye to those problems because our next product, the iconic Muzen Cybershell, is everything you need to bring a gathering to life. With its extremely deep bass, full RGB lights, and extremely long-lasting battery life, this little gadget is an investment of a lifetime. Eco-friendly, convenient, and always there for you, the Amazon Kindle Scribe is the best Kindle you can lay your hands on. Draw, write, journal, and study anytime, anywhere. Amazon's Kindle Scribe is the perfect gift for you from yourself. Not only does it come with a pen, but guess what? All you need to do is recharge the Kindle once and you're good to go for weeks, even months. As we said earlier, it's almost 2023. Do we really want to live in the Stone Age and stick to old ways of entertaining yourself, like solving a Rubik's Cube? How about something more technical, classy, and modern? How about the Wavelinks Puzzle? This little toy that's not so easy to solve is the perfect way for you to exercise your brain and be entertained for hours. Whether you're being nosy by spying on your sibling or you're being creative by shooting a documentary or a music video, drones are insanely helpful. But what if we brought you one step forward? That's right, folks, and this step forwards is the drone Z908 Pro. With three-way environmental perceptions, LED lights, and of course the infrared obstacle avoidance center, this little gadget might be just what you need to make the best memories. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, or something as common as load shedding, there's one thing that always comes in handy: light bulbs. And what if we told you that you can get a rechargeable LED light and a bulb both in the same thing? Sounds like a great deal, doesn't it? Well, the amazing BSOD light bulbs can serve in more than one ways, and we're here for every single one of them. When you want to share your headphones with one of your friends, all you need to do is give them one of the earbuds. But what if the rest of the gang gets interested too? What if your entire friend group wants to watch the movie you're watching? Only 2 earbuds aren't enough, right? Well, the solution to your bad earphones to users ratio problem is this audio splitter. Now everyone gets to enjoy and no one's left behind. Majority of the time before robbing a house, the robbers check whether the folks have a CCTV camera installed or not. All it takes is one look, right? And that one look isn't enough to determine whether the CCTV camera is real or not. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, we have brought you to this extremely smart and effective, yet fake, CCTV camera. Not only is this cheap and effective, but the flashing LED light fools the person into thinking that they're the real ones, and the job gets done just like that. In today's climate and environmental disaster, the best thing you can do to keep your lungs in good condition is buy yourself one of the HoMedics Air Purifiers. This 5-in-1 purifying with ionizer and carbon odor filter is all you need to give your respiratory system a break from the toxic environment. One thing that the COVID pandemic has taught us is that always keep your webcams in good condition, because you never know when your next meeting might be online. And to keep yourself as efficient and professional as you can, the webcam Logitech Brio 501 is the best investment you can make. Not only does it correct the lighting automatically, but its noise reduction features and privacy settings make sure that the others listen and see only what's necessary and none of your privacy is being invaded. Guys, that's all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you the most. Bye-bye.